start again. Hold on 1 second.
What?
Okay.
No, I need to talk to you.
Okay, talk to me.
Did you have fun by work?
Yeah, I had fun by work. What about you? Did you have fun by school?
Yeah.
Okay, but tell me what David did in the bathroom.
He made a mess.
A big mess?
Yeah.
Like, what did he do?
He spilled water
Where did he spill water?
on the toilet.
Am I gonna be happy?
No.
No?
No.
Are you sure?
No.
Okay, you want to tell me about the parsha? What's this week's parsha?
Lech Lecha.
And what happened in Parshas Lech Lecha?
There was a tzaddik.
Whoa, what was the tzaddik's name?
Abraham.
Avraham? And what did Avraham do?
His tzaddik had bad things in his house.
Who had bad things in the house?
Bad things.
Who had bad things?
His tzaddik
His tati did?
in his house.
Oh, his tati had bad things in his house. And what did Avram do?
Hashem told him to leave pack his suitcase, leave his house.
And where did he go?
He went to every season else.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And did he meet anybody?
He went.
What did he do next?
He left
And,
himself.
and what happened then?
There was a hunger.
A hunger? And then what did he do?
Hunger means no food.
No food. And did he get married?
No.
Avram didn't get married?
Was Abraham allowed to stay there?
Was he allowed to stay where?
By the every season out?
I think so.
No.
No?
He had some sheep.
He had sheep?
Should I tell you what his brother's name was?
What was his brother's name?
Luke.
Lot. His name is Lot.
He got some sheep.
And he got some sheep. And what happened? Was Lot a tzaddik? He was?
He said, whatever you want, sheep.
And what about Avram? What did Avram say?
He said he gonna put one thing on the sheep's mouth.
And why did he put this on the sheep's mouth?
Because he didn't want to let the sheep eat any grass.
He didn't want to let them eat anybody else's grass. So was Lot a tzaddik or was he bad?
He was a little tzaddik.
A little tzaddik?
No, he was a little tzaddik.
He was a little tzaddik. I think you're making that up. And what else happened in the Parshas Lech Lecha?
There was cows.
Where were the cows?
They were close to the sheep.
And what'd they do?
They were just ate grass.
They just ate grass. And was there somebody in this week's Parsha named Sarah? No?
Just Luke and Abraham.
Just Lut and Avram. Uh-huh. What else did you learn about the Parsha?
Nothing else.
Nothing else? That's it? So the video's over? And what about David? Did you learn anything about the Parsha?
Yeah.
What did you learn?
Bad.
Who was bad?
Bad.
The man was bad?
Yeah.
What was the man's name? Avram?
Yeah.
No, Avram was a tzaddik, right? So who was bad?
The things inside were bad. They were a boo-boo.
Did you know that Avram and Lot looked very similar?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Did you learn that? That they look like brothers?
Me.
You?
That's the story.
That's the story. The story is
Bad.
the people were bad. Hey, careful. Okay.
His tzaddik was not like a tzaddik. Not the